Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight tasks with colors in Clickup in a clear and simple way. Using colors is one of the easiest ways to bring more structure and visibility into your workspace, especially if you're managing multiple projects or working with a team. Whether you want to organize tasks visually, quickly spot priorities, or simply make your workspace cleaner and easier to understand, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open Clickup and navigate to the workspace, folder, or list where your tasks are located. You can use either board view or list view for this tutorial because task colors and status colors can be seen in both layouts. Once your workspace loads, take a quick look through your current tasks. You may already notice different colors being used for statuses like To Do, In Progress, Review, or Complete. These colors help you identify task stages instantly without needing to open every task individually. Now, let's customize those colors. Start by selecting the task or status you want to edit. Move your cursor toward the status section and click the three-dot menu next to it. This opens additional task options and settings. From the drop-down menu, choose Edit Statuses. This section is where Clickup allows you to fully manage how statuses appear across your workflow. Inside the Status Manager, you'll see a list of all available statuses currently being used in your project. Each status will have a small colored box next to it. These color indicators are what control how your tasks appear visually across boards, lists, and dashboards. Click directly on the color box beside the status you want to update. A color picker menu will appear with several different color options. You can choose colors based on your own workflow preferences. For example, many teams use red for urgent tasks, yellow for work in progress, green for completed items, and blue for planning stages. The important thing is to keep your color system consistent so it's easy for everyone on the team to understand at a glance. After selecting a new color, click Apply Changes to save the update. Once saved, close the Status Manager and return to your board view or list view. You should now immediately see the updated task colors reflected throughout your workspace. This visual update makes it much easier to scan projects quickly and understand task progress without opening each item individually. To make the process smoother, here are a few helpful tips. Before assigning colors, think about how you want your workflow organized. Try not to use too many random colors because that can make your workspace harder to read instead of easier. Stick with a simple system that matches your project stages or priority levels. It's also a good idea to double-check your changes in different views to make sure everything appears the way you expect. Another useful feature in Clickup is combining colored statuses with task priorities. For example, you can keep statuses color-coded while also using priority flags for urgent tasks. This gives your workspace another layer of organization and helps teams stay aligned during busy projects. If you manage larger workflows, visual organization like this can save a surprising amount of time every single day. You can also revisit the Status Manager anytime if your workflow changes later. Many teams update colors as projects evolve or as new stages are added. Clickup makes it easy to customize everything without disrupting your existing tasks or project structure. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to highlight tasks with colors in Clickup quickly and efficiently while making your workspace cleaner, more organized, and easier to navigate. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If this guide helped you improve your workflow, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from it as well. See you in the next video.